Happy birthday!
I know you're like, gotta get the hat in there.
I know.
So cute.
Right there.
The finger painting invitation for whatever reason. Your dog ate it. We jumped on the counter and I was like, why? You don't chew any nails, but you chew.
Talia!
So I was like, oh my
Talia, oh, hi! Hi! Hi!
Oh my goodness. Say hi.
Hopefully you have
Mwah.
Hopefully you have another shirt for me.
Smile, silly Willy.
Those are cute, Leah.
What?
Very cute.
You know about the camera, don't you?
Yeah, she's like, top of Logan.
Hey, Sean!
Folded that up and I was like,
Do you want to do some finger painting? Take a seat, buddy. Take a seat right there.
That's as good as it's gonna get. We took like 7 of them.
Okay.
Can't get it.
We're like, 2 kids is way harder than just getting one to sit there.
Does this dry out then?
Yeah, it will. I'll have Bill bring it to work to you. I'll bring it on Monday. Here's your dried painting. Okay, so this is what you do, Sean. You just take spoonfuls of this. It's yogurt, so you can eat it if you want. You don't like yogurt? Well, you can paint with it. No?
Together it'll be a lot better because you're like, go play.
Hyland,
You don't have to entertain.
you want to paint with it?
That's just not.
No. Shot.
When Logan outside playing, he just sits
He just sits there and watches the whole.
Hi.